Hello my fellow Rangers. Today we're going to be taking apart a Glock 19. Now first all you need to do is take out the magazine. Next you need to slide back the slide and then lock it. Easy as can be. Then you need to check if there is any ammunition, live ammunition inside of here. If there is not, then unlock it. Now, you need to pull down on your trigger to see if there's any ammunition. There is not. And it will auto-lock. Once it auto-locks, here's how I think it's best to do. You pull it down until you hear it click. Pull down on these side braces. And then pull up. Although you may not get it on the first time, but just try again. Yes, I came up with a new way. I'll show you in a little bit. But here you have your springs. Here you have your not springs, and your barrel. Now, make sure that your barrel and spring is in right, because on here there are two bumps right here, and if you put it on the first bump, something may happen. I don't really know. So you want to put it at the very bottom. There's going to be a tiny curve right here for the curved flat piece right here, as you can see, and you want to make sure it fits in there nice and smooth, so then it doesn't move. Put back in your barrel. Put the nipple part in through the hole. Slide back the spring. Make sure it's inside, it's in tight. If it is, you can't move it as much. Now, you're going to take the bottom of your gun and your barrel and your cannon, and there are these pieces right here, fins, and you slide it back and lock it. If you don't do that, then it will keep on falling off. Now just put in your magazine and you're done.